Welcome, I'm SD Kelley. Check out this gorgeous gift box that I put together last year for Christmas for a friend. It was a little bit late, almost at the last minute, so I didn't upload this video, but I'm really happy to be showing it this year, and you can get a lot of these same things still at most Dollar Trees. If you enjoy watching arts and craft videos, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell to be notified anytime I upload something new.
Tell me if you can when the clock is striking 12.
I put some small wrapped candies in a little mason jar that I got from Dollar Tree, and I picked up some packages of non-expired name brand candy, and I was so happy to find this all there at the Dollar Tree.
Hanging in a row. Mine will be the shortest one. You'll be sure to know.
In addition to candy, I picked up this beautiful gold metal ornament. It's of a snowflake, and it's got a rhinestone in the center, and I made it into a magnet, and I tied a bow at the top, just a Christmas bow, and this would be a nice little gift to put in the gift basket. This is another decorative piece I made by gluing some pieces to a craft stick and putting a little twine loop on the back, and it could be used as a small ornament or wall hanging, but this is going to be used to decorate the top of this gift basket.
Now I think I'll leave to you what to give a rest.
I'm taking an awl and I'm poking a hole in the middle on each side, as much in the center as I can of this gift box. Next, I'm taking a piece of gold floral wire that you could get from the Dollar Tree. I measured to the length that I wanted, and I'm twirling one end and I'm going to pull it through the holes, and it's going to be a handle for this basket. I love the way how this golden wire is a perfect match for the golden swirls on this box. One thing I really like about these floral wires that you can get from Dollar Tree, they come in a variety of colors, but you can also manipulate them rather easily and shape them almost just using your fingers, except for maybe some tight curls like I'm doing on the ends. But other than that, it's very shapeable and very easy to work with. All the components of a gift box can be held in place with a double-sided foam tape or double-sided tape or even glue dots. A good way to plan gift box shopping pieces for making a gift box would actually be to put together the pieces in the store of what you want to give to your friend or loved one, and then put them all in whatever box you can find there to see if they're going to fit perfectly. Here I'm taking some white tulle that I got in the wedding section at Dollar Tree, and I'm making little sacks of Hershey Kisses. You can get little gift sacks in the baby section as well. I think they have blue, yellow, and pink currently.
Happy New Year, the tidings we bring to you and your kid. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Now bring us some.
I used a measuring tape to see how long I would want these pieces of tulle, and I'm laying them crisscross, and the box is going to go in the center. What I like about this method of using this tool is that you can see everything inside perfectly, but I can get my hands in the corner to manipulate the pieces and to do some final adjustments so that I like how it looks.
Like Figgy Pudding.
I am working with this project from an awkward angle so that it can be seen on camera. So I do go back and make some adjustments and straighten some things up a bit, but you can get the idea of how to do this. And of course you will see like everything inside here will be arranged a little bit differently in the final project. I just used a piece of decorative foil wire to tie the top of the tool pieces together and to put the decorative piece on top. If you liked today's video, I hope that you'll give it a big thumbs up, comment on, and share this video with everyone that you know. Then lastly, I put a gift tag on the side, and I just cut out a piece of foil paper with a little snowflake on it and wrote on the other side. I hope that you'll subscribe to my channel because I would love to have you here. You'll find my social media links in the description below. Again, I'm SD Kelley, and I thank you for watching.